Those cold, gusty winds continue this afternoon and tomorrow with a few gusts over 35 miles an hour, knocking back wind chill readings into the single digits. As that abates Friday, all eyes on a system that will be making its way across the country, developing as an area of low pressure in Texas tomorrow and then traveling east-northeast. Again, for the here and the now, gusts over 35 miles an hour this afternoon, knocking back those wind chill readings into the single digits. Same scenario tomorrow, and then gusts over 20 miles an hour as the wind comes down some for the day on Friday. That will be our true in-between systems before the next one gets to the East Coast on Saturday. There's a look at your feels like readings, which again will kind of go between the single digits above and below zero by day and by night going into Friday morning before things start to moderate into the afternoon. And then as the storm system passes to our south Saturday, temperatures continue to modify going into early next week with temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. You will notice another push of snow diving southward out of Canada. We will likely wring out several additional inches of snow for portions of Coos County going forward through tonight and into tomorrow, while that area of low pressure now just starting to take shape in northern parts of Mexico and in the desert southwest. Again, that will develop into an area of low pressure moving out of Texas tomorrow, and the exact track of that system has become more defined on the maps at this point, with a heavier snow band expected to be well to our south of Long Island, in fact. And that would mean for us around here, a band of light snow or snow showers during the daylight hours Saturday. And because of the lighter nature to it and temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s, that's going to minimize any sort of huge travel impacts from this system. You can see the model comparison still showing light snow showers for the area on Saturday. So things becoming more clear. The exact track of the heaviest snow is expected to be farther to our south, and that would mean some lighter snowfall amounts out of this system. As far as travel impact from this, it'll depend how sustained the snow will be, what time of day it comes through, and what the temperatures will be as it makes its way through. Upper 20s to lower 30s heading into next week. Not the gusty winds starting on Sunday, just a breeze for Sunday afternoon.